So the car is back together. It was revealed at the meet yesterday. Had a great turnout and got a lot of good feedback on the car. Like there was a lot of love for the car. Some things that basically happened since obviously the car was put back together. We now are rocking black emblems. We got our vents installed. Still got to do the carbon fiber stuff on them and finish them up a little bit. There's still some slight, not perfections in them, but either way. And then of course, there's the new splitter, which I'm in love with. This thing came out fucking fantastic. Obviously not finished. I still have plans. The back ends of these obviously are open, which does no good, slamming air straight into the tire. But there's gonna be, I'm still planning on some kind of like built-in canard type deal here. So the back end will be closed off, and I'm gonna either incorporate some kind of vent into the side of this to let the air shoot out around it. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do yet. I have plans, but they're not finished yet. Still have the side skirts to do. The game plan at the moment is there'll be a mirror of this on the other side. So there'll be basically GT3 RS kind of vibe. Side skirt running down, and then I still got to do something with the rear diffuser. As of right now, I'm still rocking the stock 4-blade diffuser. But the plan is I want to go 6-blade and chunkier so that it has more, it'll still function, but it'll be more beefy looking, because right now it just kind of looks dainty with its little thin blades. Didn't really go over it, but I had 3D printed these seals, gaskets if you will, just because the original install didn't have them sealed. But yeah, loving the car. Apparently many other people are as well. Just decided to give you guys a walk around video. As I get the other parts finished, I'll do some more little video drops, but this is just going to be a quick little one.